If we already were there, then this is not the discussion we would be having today, or this is not the state we would be today. Because we have those issues, that's why we are having this discussion, saying that make sure that nobody can deny you your vote, right? I promise you, nobody can deny me my vote, because I am not taking any chances with that. And I'm not bloody giving anybody the right to mess with my vote. And I'm clear on that. We're already, as I said, we make sure we have that. When they said Aadhaar card, every employee of ours, we made sure they got it. I mean, in our house. Now we are starting in our company. Everywhere we are making sure that they have and they do that. Because without that, as I said, it's a very simple thing. You don't vote, you have no rights. We have to operate like that. Because let's look at it, what's happening. And it's easy to sit and complain, crib and complain. And but this is the only thing we have. And I'm telling you, if we all start acting like that, who will mess with that? I think we'll get there. Right now, certain things, it'll take time. It'll take time, okay, there is a discussion now, Narendra Modi is saying compulsory voting has to come in. Now let's see where that goes. And it's not everything is as easy as, and instead of what I'm saying is, there are many things that can be done. There's no doubt about it, right? But doesn't mean because we don't have that, the answer is zero, right? We want to get there, and with more and more systems, as technology is developing, more and more systems will come. I'm sure, not too far in the future, we will not have to go stand in queues. There'll be an app on your phone, and you'll say, I vote, something like that. It'll come. Who knew? But it'll take time. Sir, वो अभी अपने हाथ में नहीं है. We can't sit here and decide. No, it's there, and I'm telling you, you're not the only one. I think last year, there were thousands of complaints in newspapers. Thousands, right? And I think then one entire colony, now who knows what really happened? They say, I don't know, I think in one constituency, sir, there is a whole colony did not get votes. And now the colony people say, because we are the supporters of the opposition party, that's why they didn't give. Could be possible. Who knows? Could be. But the point is, what I am asking, my question to you or to that colony is, why did you not go and check if you had a vote a week? I mean, you didn't take that pain. Exactly. So we didn't take that pain. Now they will manipulate. Why are they manipulating? But even we are not. Exactly. That's the point. I get that. So thanks. That's the thing. Now you go check. That's the point, is we now have to make sure that nobody messes with this thing. I don't think that can happen, but we can start highlighting that. We can start highlighting that, and we can see. That's why now Supreme Court has passed the rule, right? That everything they have to, they have to now keep a paper copy or something like that. See, these are things happening. That's a change, right? Now, why did that come? Because people like us, said no bloody way can you do this. Now the potential is in future. Now there is a doubt. I have no idea. I have not met the guy who programs the EC machines. I don't know. But I heard it. I don't know. And it's true, because we're all great at creating conspiracy theories. Right? Intlo Guchni, I can make 5 conspiracy theories. Anything, yeah, why not? What's that free hai, usme kya hai? And you can put it on Twitter, and if enough people of the 2,000 people following me take it up, it becomes a fact. The point is that now that's what's happening. Now that's why they're saying that can't happen anymore. It's not easy for them to manipulate through this anymore, right? The print is there. So if somebody is convinced and there, now that can be checked up. Now who will go mess with that? Right? That's the point. Now maybe that will come up next. If it happens this time, I should say I'm confident that those manipulations will be very difficult now. Last elections, maybe it could have been easier for them. Could be. But I think it will be difficult now, because it's getting, the fire is really under these guys' chairs now. If Banwarlal or somebody, and I'm telling you, just because the heat is really increasing on them. Let's see, if that happens, then that's when we will take the process forward, and then maybe a new thing will come. Regular elections also bring with them a quality of political education. During campaigning, the parties present their thoughts, ideas, and policies to the masses, and in the process make them educated politically. Because of the direct involvement in the political process, get aware of the thinking and knowledge by participating in various informal discussions, by reading newspapers, and through the other media. We need to get the scale of the Indian election. It's like unlike anything else in the world. In 2009 there were 714 million voters. That's more than United States and European Union combined. So we need to understand it's not an easy job, and these are staged over a month to cope with these numbers. Campaigning and voting, just bewilders the whole world outside, about how it happens. That's the beauty of our country. Our elections are truly driven by people. We might have complaints about stuff here and there, but on the whole, it's the people driving.